Hey YouTube, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. I am coming at you, not live, but in person, from the 2019 van build, Enigmatic Nomadic. With me is a special guest. Y'all come back, I got some news for you. Hey YouTube, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler, and I'm sitting here with
Ron from Ron's Room.
Okay, Ron, he's a buddy of mine. We met, what, about
a
year ago?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, about a year ago.
Yep.
Okay, now what we're going to talk about is a little bit about this year's van build. Couple rules right now. It's a little bit early for the van build. It don't start until the 8th. So please, if you are coming, don't show up today or tomorrow. Don't show up very early because we're not set up yet.
Working hard.
We're working on it. Now, and also Jamie said, if y'all got a radio when you're coming, an FM radio,
mm-hmm.
everything is going to be announced on the radio. So when they want you, they'll say, hey, Billy Joe Jim Bob, we're going to work on your solar. Come on down. So if you got a radio, bring it. If you have any welding supplies, welding metal,
mm-hmm.
and you want to donate it, I know it's heavy, but bring that with you too.
Electrical, wiring,
anything.
Connectors even. We had a shortage of connectors last year.
Yep.
Kept running and go get those. So anything you can bring to help out. Make
bring
sure
it
when you
with
come
you.
out too, and you're having something done, make sure you have all your gear. We're going to be running to the store, you know.
That's right.
Make sure you have all your supplies with you.
Now, we love to see you guys. Bring your stuff. Bring yourself. Bring a great attitude. And we'll be here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, when you first get here, drive all the way to the end of the permitted area, and that's where the check-in will be. We'll have an admin tent there where you can check in, get your wristband and stuff like that.
Look for the big white tents.
Big white tents. You can't miss them. It looks like a little carnival.
Circus, I heard.
A little circus.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
We're going to have some good times, so.
All right, people.
Bye, Al.
Now, this is the other thing. Stay tuned. He don't know it, but I'm going to interview Ron. You're going to get to know him.
All right.
All right. You guys drive safe, travel on, and love one another. See you later.
Peace.